Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 24th, and let's do a fig propagation update. Now, I'm really having a wonderful time propagating these figs. Now, I have moved up to gallon pots of these fig cuttings. I have 57 here right now of the different varieties. A few still haven't put out leaves, but they're doing real good at rooting in, so we know they're going to be viable. I only have one that I may question. It just doesn't look as healthy, and I don't know, it might be because it's sitting behind a bigger one and getting shaded. We'll see if we can eliminate that. We'll move it up here right now while it's on our mind, and see if it can't get a little bit more sunlight. Might better move this blueberry out of its way. But anyway, that's all the ones that's moved up. We can go ahead while we're talking about propagation. I have my elderberries right here. These are the gallon pots. And let's go see the rest of them. We have a few more elderberries there. Now these are some figs, but these are actually had some roots. So, and they're taking hold, starting to come out. We have some more elderberries here. Some look to be doing good. Some look like they might not do so good. So we'll just have to see. I've had a lot of fungal gnats, and I have been treating for them here lately. So we'll see how that goes. But we have all these elderberries. We have some peach in there too that's propagating. One of them's got leaves on it. They're not really doing too good, but I haven't really been, I've just stuck them there and been watering them occasionally. I didn't put them in a very big pot. Now these figs here, these are some cuttings I took off my fig trees. Now I don't see roots. They are trying to green up a little bit on some, but some, such as this one, and this was a really thin cutting, looks like it's died. We have some others that to me give this one here's probably died, because you can see that's shriveling at the base. It's probably died too. Some of them have been affected by rot. Normally when I root mine from my own trees, I root them in the springtime after they start doing their growth, and just take the leaves off them after they've leafed out, and I tend to get better success. But anyway, that's them. Let's look at the rest of our propagations. Now up here we have a lot of different trees, hardwood trees, trying to propagate, and we'll see how they do. We have some Honeycrisp in here. We have one variety of pears in here. They're leafing out. No roots that I see yet on them. We have some more Honeycrisp. A few of them's putting on leaves. We have some peaches in here, and then some other apples. And over here we have some more apples, different varieties. And over here we have some persimmons and some more peaches that are propagating. So and they're putting out leaves. We'll see how they do. If we get a few trees, that would do good. That's a lot more than what we had. But as far as we didn't do too much into anything special. You can look back and see the videos, and maybe I'll put a link up above so you can see them. But we just kind of set them there, and if they don't take, well, or if just a few of them take, that's great, because all we were doing was pruning our trees and seeing if we couldn't get a few more to grow from them. We've got some rootstock in there for some apple too, so we'll see how it all does. And these are the last of the ones that are inside. They're sitting under the little grow light here by the window. Some of them were started fairly late. I have some that were started, let's see, it's been just a couple days over a month. Some might not do too well, but you know, some are putting out a little bit of green. I don't have much help or faith in these black Socorros. I ended up getting these from somebody, sent them from another country, wouldn't tell me when. It ended up 30 days getting here. and they were just kind of like they were dried out. They weren't set up to be shipped that long, and with the shipping delays in there. But anyway, this is where we're sitting, and I guess maybe it's an addiction, but I have some more cuttings that are on their way, so I'll be doing a few more. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you want to see more, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified, and if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.